my name is Dawn and this is my review of this 2-piece no drill shower caddy. Let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so we've got the 2 no drill adhesive strips, instructions, some hooks here, and the 2 shelves. These are black in color, graded on the bottom so that water flows through easily. They are 2 different sizes. One's a little larger than the other. Both also have the feature of having this round outlet here so that you can turn a bottle upside down for when you're getting close to the bottle being empty, which is a nice feature so that it's not sliding all over the place. And we'll get this installed. Alright, so for install, you're going to make sure that your surface is clean and dry so that you get a good stick to the wall. So I'm going to use the grout lines as my guideline for the adhesive strips. If you don't have tile or if you have a different tile pattern, you may have to use like a pencil or a wax pencil, for example, to mark your lines so that you have a nice even horizontal line to guide yourself. But I'm going to go ahead and pull off the adhesive back. So again, just using the grout and kind of centering it in between these 2 tiles, and then just firmly press down. Alright, we're going to clip the shelves into place. And there we are. Can handle a number of different bottles, washcloths, and razors, and what have you. You get some nice little hooks, some accessories that you can utilize to add on for things like loofahs and such. So I'm just going to throw a couple of these in here. You have those hooks as well. A lot of these shelves aren't as large as these are, so this is really nice. I think we're going to be happy with this product.